Good morning, guys. Welcome to Bullets Garage. Today we are on the 4th, I believe, Supercar Saturday here in South Barrington. Bright and early, 8 a.m. Parking lots are getting full already, and you always got to get here early because it gets packed up quick. So I'm gonna walk around, chat with people, get some footage of some sick cars that I wish I had that I can't afford. But I hope you enjoy, and it's gonna be a great day. On my way here, this 911 Turbo S was hauling on the highway. I was trying to keep up with him, but he was buck 30 going. I had no radar, nothing, so I wasn't gonna try and risk it, but he was hauling all the way here. To this day, even though I have a Lexus, I will be forever a die-hard fan of the Bmw M5. They look great, and the power they produce is insane. This thing is absolutely insane. You know what this is? This is Mad Max, boys. Look at this. Absolutely insane. Right-hand drive. Manual. Crazy. And look at the blower on this thing. Absolutely sick.
Look at this, ISF Racing.
What's up? Alright guys, we got a group of Holdens up in here. For those of you that don't know, this starts our life as a Chevy SS. And in Australia, it's called the Holden, so people change the badges, whatnot, put the wheels on it, make it look like it is. This black one's nice on some HREs. Silver one. These things are amazing cars for the power that they make, and they got aftermarket support. They're a good platform to start if you want easy power. White one, you know, white is right for me.
That's on the low.
Yep, that is the Whipple. That looks like a huge, probably a 2.7 liter supercharger. Next to a Lotus. We got Chicago RCF in the building. Chilling in the sun, bro. In the shade. What's up, man? How are you?
What's up?
Here he is, chilling in the sun, in the shade. I wish I got a spot in the shade.
90 degrees.
Dude, my car is baking in the sun over there. All right, guys. Behind me here is the Bmw M5, the new one. And when I walked by it, I didn't even really recognize it because it didn't stick out. It blended in so well. So I don't know how I like that. But this is my dream baby, eventually the upgrade car from the Lexus. But as it sits here, I mean, it does have the carbon fiber roof, but it blends in. It looks just like a regular 5 Series. It doesn't even look too aggressive or anything. Oh man, disappointing, but it's still a fast car and a great car, so still love it despite its less aggressive looks. But I'm sure if it was in white with a carbon fiber roof, black wheels, tinted windows, it'll look a little better, but it is what it is. M5 startup. I see that the Holdens have popped their hoods, so I'm gonna walk over there and see what they are running, if any of them are supercharged or not. So let's go check it out. All right, this one has a baby snail. Look at that. This one also has a baby snail. This one has a supercharger on top, just like the ZL1 Camaro 5th gen. Nice. Audi S7 APR Stage 3. This thing probably smokes half of the cars in this place. I love coming out to these meets because there's so many different cars, a variety. You got American muscle, you got old school, you got imports, you got Supras, Vipers, Audis, Lambos, a couple old school Ferraris, a bunch of Corvettes. I mean, if you like anything, you got it here. You could come see it. Great turnout always, and you got to get here early if you want to park inside this lot, because if you don't, forget it, you're parking somewhere in the back where nobody's gonna see your car. Luckily I got in here. I'm in between Shelby GT5 or Shelby GT350 and GT500. Great turnout, awesome people. Saw a few of my friends. Love coming out to this. It's super hot today, but we're enjoying it. We're chilling. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe below. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. And we'll see you on the next one. As always, peace out, guys. Take care.